Gwadhi mbele ni jood bura mawuok Imbo mar Kenya kawuono osingo mar riwore mar keto dongruok e gwengegi. E romo mane gitimo kod jatend migawo maduong' Mudavadi, jaod bura ma Sirisia John Waluke motelo ne riwruogno mar jood burago nowacho ni yiero ne oserumo koro chopo saa mar chwalo dongruok. Mudavadi ne osingo chiero kembe mag Mumias kod Nzoia masani koro ok dhi maber.
When I say we are available, you are parliamentarians. You formulate our budgets. Budget making is very different from what it was many years ago. But collaboration between the executive and parliament can be very helpful in us achieving what we believe is desirable for the people of our region, in all spheres, whether it is agriculture, whether it is matters of infrastructure, whether it is education, etc. So I want to assure you that you have an ally in the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, whom you can engage and consult with so that we can move things the way they should move.